Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and this is Nitin Parmar bringing to you 7th session on ThrowBack 2019. ThrowBack is a wonderful series which is developing up and I'm sure all of you must be enjoying this entire series. Okay, this is giving you a full revision of a given year. So here I'm talking about important bills or ordinance which have been passed in 2019. Okay, so some of them might have become act. Okay, so that becomes your homework. You connect it and give me your understanding कि इसमें से कौन सा एक्ट बन चुका है. Okay, great. पहला है आपका ट्रांसजेंडर पर्सन्स प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ राइट्स बिल 2019. Primarily, the objective of transgender persons protection of rights bill is first to define who is transgender, prohibit any sort of discrimination so that they get right of residence, employment, education, healthcare. ठीक है, there will be a certificate of identity provided to transgender person. There are offenses and penalties are also given for any crime against these people or crime committed by these people. And there are National Council for Transgender Person NCT propose किया गया है. देखते हैं कि वो कब बनता है and whether it will become a constitutional body or not, ऐसा अभी देखा जाएगा. But अभी के लिए this is a transgender person protection of rights bill 2019. Then there was a companies amendment bill 2019. Parliament has passed this companies amendment bill 2019 primarily to tighten CSR. Okay, उन्होंने कोशिश करी थी कि जो कंपनी CSR fulfill नहीं करेगी, I'm sure you know CSR. CSR is corporate social responsibility. The companies which are not able to fulfill CSR possibly they will be punished and there is a possibility that there is a jail. उसको उन्होंने बाद में डाइल्यूट किया था, ठीक है, पर अभी के लिए ये आपको पता होना चाहिए CSR के लिए उन्होंने कोशिश करी थी. This is a big amendment took place for companies amendment bill. While protection of children from sexual offenses amendment bill 2019 was proposed, which is popularly known as POCSO. Okay, so this is a parliament bill which is giving for stricter punishment for child abuse. The bill amends the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. The act seeks to protect children from offences such as sexual assault, sexual harassment and pornography. There are strict, you can say, laws available. Penetrative sexual assault which increases minimum punishment from 7 years to 10 years, and there is possibly a punishment of, let's say, 20 years in case if the person who commits the penetrative sexual assault on a child who is below the age of 16. So that is a big problem happening. ठीक है, there is also aggravated penetrative sexual assault, उसके ऊपर उन्होंने मिनिमम पनिशमेंट को बढ़ा दिया. दिस इज प्राइमरी 10 years to 20 years. ठीक है, अगर डेथ होती है तो they may possibly put them into, you can say, death penalty. This is a big change happening. While for the child pornography, ठीक है, that is, they define what is pornography. That is any visual depiction of a sexually explicit conduct that involves child as a photograph or a video in a digital or even a computer generated image which can be indistinguishable from actual child. So there is a punishment related to this, and this is definitely a need of the hour. भारत में ये करना बहुत जरूरी था. ठीक है, Unlawful Activities Prevention Amendment Act, this is called UAPA, wherein for the first time central government is empowered to define someone as a terrorist. So इसके द्वारा कौन सा पहला आदमी बना जिसको हमने टेररिस्ट घोषित किया. ठीक है, दिस इज UAPA is amending Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 and इस पर्टिकुलर बिल के द्वारा NIA National Investigation Agency got lot of power, including seizure of the property and including affecting the privacy of the person. UAPA. जलियांवाला बाग नेशनल मेमोरियल अमेंडमेंट बिल 2019, दिस हैज बीन चेंज. इसमें अमेंडमेंट ये बात का किया गया कि अभी तक जलियांवाला बाग नेशनल मेमोरियल का जो ट्रस्ट था उस ट्रस्ट के प्रेसिडेंट हमेशा रहते थे कांग्रेस के प्रेसिडेंट. Okay, now it has been changed. Okay, so this is a big change which is happening. Okay, RTI has been amended and there are a lot of objections. Why? Because RTI को यहाँ पे भरपूर dilute कर दिया है. RTI, Right to Information Act 2005, ठीक है, it was, you can say, amended by RTI Amendment Bill 2019. यहाँ पे the terms of CIC and Information Commissioner now has been decided by the government. Central government is empowered to do it. पहले ऐसा नहीं था, पहले इनको इंडिपेंडेंट रखा गया था, अब ऐसा नहीं है. उनके टर्म्स, उनके अलाउंसेस, उनकी सैलरी, ये सब के ऊपर सरकार का कंट्रोल होगा. देन नेशनल मेडिकल कमीशन बिल, ठीक है, इट सीक्स टू रिपील इंडियन मेडिकल काउंसिल एक्ट 1956. इसके द्वारा मेडिकल एजुकेशन सिस्टम में एक बड़ा रिवैम्प करने की कोशिश थी. मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया हैज बीन नाउ एबोलिश्ड एंड नाउ वी हैव नेशनल मेडिकल कमीशन, primarily to ensure that we have availability of adequate and high quality medical professionals, adoption of latest medical research, periodic assessment of medical institutions, and effective grievance redressal mechanism is what you can say the objective of this particular bill. आपको पता होगा Medical Council of India has been replaced by National Medical, you can say, Commission. Prohibition of e-cigarette, that's an ordinance निकाला था, उसके बाद बिल लेकर आए और वो एक्ट बन गया. अब उसका ये मतलब हो गया प्रोडक्शन, ट्रेड, स्टोरेज, ट्रांसपोर्ट और एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिगरेट would be punishable offense. So this is what they have done. ठीक है, everything is covered under this. E-cigarettes are banned in India. Protection of Human Rights Amendment Bill 2019 has been passed in Lok Sabha. So bill amends a very important part to make NHRC, SHRC, NHRC is the National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commission and Human Rights Codes. ये बनेगा, ये उन्होंने फोकस किया. Central government may confer on SHRC human rights functions being discharged by union territories, ठीक है, and then they may possibly go with NHRC, ऐसा उन्होंने बोला है. Motor Vehicle Amendment Bill, which is a big amendment took place, ठीक है. आपको इसको स्टडी करके बताना है मुझे कि कौन से मोटर व्हीकल अमेंडमेंट बिल 2017 में कौन से ऑफेंस के लिए सबसे ज्यादा पेनल्टी है, ठीक है, और कौन सा ऐसा ऑफेंस है जिसमें द चेंज ऑफ पेनल्टी इज द लार्जेस्ट. ओके, और कौन कौन से नए ऑफेंसेस इसमें इंक्लूड करे गए हैं, ठीक है. सो मोटर व्हीकल अमेंडमेंट बिल 2017 व्हिच वाज ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड. रिप्रेजेंटेशन of People Amendment Bill 2017, ठीक है, it was introduced in Lok Sabha, ठीक है. The bill seeks to amend the RPA, that is Representation of People Act 1951, ठीक है, and it is allowing, you can say, proxy voting. Not only few people, but there are a lot of people, especially the senior citizens or the people who are suffering from medical problems, they will be going for proxy voting. ये उन्होंने allow किया, and they made certain provisions gender neutral. So now we have Representation of People Amendment Bill 2017 and the big bill called Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Now it has been passed. A big problem with this particular bill has been there in northeastern region, ठीक है. Overall, this is definitely a troublesome issue, especially when we connect with Assam Accord and NRC. Okay, so Citizenship Amendment, you can say, bill which is affecting Citizenship Act 1955, wherein it is making illegal migrants from 3 countries, that is Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh, and coming from a religion called Hindus, Sikh, Buddhists, Jains, Parsi and Christians, and these people will get citizenship quite easily, ठीक है. So there is a change that 11 years की जगह पे अब वो 6 years का उनको time period चाहिए होगा. So this is a big change which is happening in this Citizenship Amendment Bill. Personal Law Amendment Bill 2018 has been passed by Lok Sabha. It was introduced as a various recommendation made to remove leprosy as a ground for divorce. Now leprosy cannot be a ground for the divorce. It seeks to amend 5 acts which are Divorce Act 1869, Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939, Special Marriage Act 1954, Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. AILT की एग्जाम देने जाएंगे, ये बिल्कुल जरूरत पड़ेगा दोस्तों, ध्यान रखिएगा ये। Rajasthan Assembly passed a bill against honor killing. So in the name of honor, when people kill, you can say any member of the society, it is now punishable by death penalty or life imprisonment as suggested by Rajasthan Assembly. ठीक है, उन्होंने ऑनर किलिंग को प्रोहिबिट करने के लिए ये काम किया है। मैट्रिमोनियल अलायंसेस होते हैं, शादियां होती है और शादियों में ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि हमारी कास्ट का नहीं था, हमारी मर्जी से हुआ नहीं, एंड देयर बाय दे जनरली एंड अप killing the people. This is called honor killing. Rajasthan Assembly also passed anti-lynching bill. Thereby, it became second state after Manipur to have anti-lynching, we can say, law. Rajasthan has anti-lynching. I'm sure you know lynch. Lynch करना, खुले में किसी को मार डालना. So criminals who are mob lynching people, ठीक है, उनको ये सजा मिलेगा, which is very important. Okay, Manipur और Rajasthan, these are the names. Special Economic Zone Amendment Bill, ठीक है, it is allowing trust to establish units in SEZ. This is a big amendment which is coming up. It replaces Special Economic Zone Ordinance 2019 and now it is changing, okay, to the act. Okay, so the person includes now trust. पहले trust नहीं कर सकते थे, अब trust include करे गए. Banning of unregulated Deposit Scheme Bill 2018. Union Cabinet headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi against amended banning of unregulated deposit schemes Bill 2018. Thereby, they allowing some leeway to promissory notes, and the people who are running unregulated deposit schemes will be punished heavily. Okay, so this is what the basic information from my side. This is our second module in this, you can say, important bills and ordinance. I hope you have learned it well with me. आपको मजा आया होगा, ठीक है? So if you have liked it, please put a like button, subscribe our channel. Do not miss out to take this PDF from ProTalentDigital.com. And till then, from my side, all the best.